and welcome to Property Cloud. I'm Roshni and today we are excited to present an upcoming ultra premium residential development in Yelahanka, North Bengaluru by the renowned Godrej Properties. This premium 10-acre development on Airport Road is designed for luxury living, strategic connectivity and long-term investment growth. In this video, we will talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Godrej Yelahanka is a landmark 10-acre premium development located on Airport Road in North Bengaluru. The key highlights include 10-acre prime land parcel, 800 plus premium residences, 1.5 million square feet development with a structure of 3 basement plus ground plus 15 floors, and this project comes with a 30,000 square feet grand lifestyle clubhouse. This project is ideal for senior professionals working in North Bangalore, airport corridor investors, tech park employees and long-term capital appreciation buyers. And if we talk about the location and connectivity highlight, so this project is strategically located on Airport Road, Yelahanka. The project offers seamless connectivity to major work hubs and lifestyle destinations. Now let's talk about the connectivity. So the project gives you excellent connectivity, like Bagalur Cross Metro is just 4 minutes away. Yelahanka railway station is just 12 minutes away. Kempagoda International Airport is just 30 minutes away. Phoenix Mall of Asia is just 15 minutes away. You get direct access to NH44 and Bellary Road, and Amazon Satwa Horizon is just 5 minutes away. Now let's talk about the amenities. So Godrej Yelahanka offers a 30,000 square feet lifestyle clubhouse along with curated amenities such as grand clubhouse, multi-purpose hall, swimming pool, fully equipped gym, indoor games and activity room, landscape garden and open greens, children play area. This ensures a self-sustained premium community lifestyle. And now talking about the pricing and configuration, so the 3 BHK apartment plus 2T with a carpet area starting from 1600 square feet, price starting from 2.88 crore onwards. 3 BHK plus 3T with a carpet area starting from 1900 square feet, price starting from 3.42 crore onwards. 3.5 BHK apartment with a carpet area starting from 2150 square feet, price starting from 3.87 crore onwards, and the 4.5 BHK apartment with the carpet area starting from 2500 square feet, price starting from 4.5 crore onwards. And these homes are designed with spacious living and dining layouts, large bedrooms with attached bathroom, premium fitting and finishes, efficient space planning. Now let's talk about the booking process. So early investors will get priority inventory selection before official launch. So if you're looking for a premium Airport Road investment with a strong appreciation potential in North Bengaluru, so Godrej Yelahanka could be one of the most promising launches of 2026. So if you like the project, you can proceed with the booking process smoothly with full assistance. For brochure, pricing details, floor plans or to register your interest, click the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from US, UK, UAE and Singapore can also use the same link. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more luxury property updates.